Traders, halfway through the week, let's take a look at what's moving this morning. On the move, we got ENPH down over 13%, over 280,000 traded pre-market in play. CROX up over 8%, over 170,000 traded pre-market, that's in play. ATVI, Activision, up over 3%, almost 200,000 traded pre-market, that's in play. We got a few here we can work with, so let's get to it. EXAS, we're going to take this for a short right here, the ask, if we can get hit. Alright, we are in. We're in EXAS at 88.16. This thing's got a massive squeeze here going, so we think it pulls back here. Target on this is going to be around 87, and stop loss will be around over 89. Alright, here it comes. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Day looks good for a short. Alright, here we go. Let's see if this thing can get below 87. Not happening. Doesn't look good now. Might have to get out of this. Alright, we're over our stop here. I'm going to wait for a red candle. The market's telling me to stay in this trade. I think once it's done squeezing here, it's going to drop hard. If this doesn't drop soon, we're going to come out of it, but it's starting to drop. Alright, here it comes. That's nice. Let's see if we can get a little bit more. EXAS. Alright, it's coming down to us here. Alright, let's just try to take this here. Alright, we're out. We're out with about, what is that? Oh, and it drops right after I get out of it. Wow, look at the size of that drop. Wow, and it's still dropping. Look at that thing go. I should have stuck with it. But I was losing big on that one. I didn't want that thing to shoot back up, because if it did shoot back up, it would have eaten me up real bad. So I'll take it. We took what is that? We took 75 cents out of that, 76 cents. I'll take that. Yum. We're going to take this for a short right here at the ask. All right, we are in. We're in at 119 cents. Daily looks good. Nice big fat red candle there. Intraday gaps down, flushes a little bit. Tries to climb here from the lows, but I don't think it has juice. Market is dropping. Target on this is going to be around below 99.50, and stop loss will be around 101. We'll play it by ear. The market's still dropping here. Yum. All right, we're going to try to take this right here if we can. All right, we're out. We're out with about a 65-cent winner. I see the market starting to ignite a little bit. It's been dropping since the open, so I'm going to take this as an opportunity to get out with a win. TSLA, we're in at 314.48. Daily does not look good for a short because it's up so much, but intraday it opened down and it rallied all the way up to 319, and now it's coming back. So we think this thing goes back down to low a day, but we'll probably only take a point if we can. So target on this is going to be around 313.50, and stop loss will be around 315.50, about a point each way. But we think this goes lower. TSLA, let's take a look at this thing up close. But if the market starts to climb, we will come out of it, regardless where it is. TSLA, we're coming up on our stop here. We'll see what happens. Market is telling us to stay in the trade, so we're going to stay in the trade. TSLA, all right, it's coming down to us. See what happens at 314. Let's take a look at this thing up close. TSLA, we're going to come out of this right here if we can. All right, we're out. Aha, look at that. Just as I press to get out of the trade, the thing drops. Oh my goodness. I was like, this thing ain't going to crack 314. And when it didn't crack 314 all those times, I'm like, this thing's going to climb. Market isn't dropping. So as soon as I got out of the trade, the thing drops 50 cents. That stinks. But we took about 30 cents from the trade, which is better than nothing, or better than losing. EXAS, we're going to take this for another short here at the ask. All right, we are in. We're in at 84.92. It's our second trade on it. We took it earlier, and we took about 75 cents off of it. And it looks like it's about to head back down south. So stop loss on this thing is going to be about a point, around close to 86. And target on this is going to be below 84. But it looks good here. I think it drops. Let's take a look at this thing up close. EXAS, all right, here we go. It's heading down to 84 here. See if we can get it down to near 84, then we'll take it. I'd like to get it below 84, but spread's kind of big. All right, let's try to take this right here if we can, just in case. All right, we're out. We're out for about 60 cents. I'll take that. Just in case, I'm looking at the SPY here and it's just flat. TSLA. This thing's been dropping for quite a while here. So we're going to jump in this long at the bid here if we can get in. All right, we are in. Only 100 shares. All right, we're full in. We're full in at 310.27. Second trade on it. We took it earlier and we took it for a short. And right after we got out of it, it dropped pretty big all the way down to here. Dropped another, what is that? 4 points. So we think this is due for a pullback here. If you look at the daily is super strong. So we think this has a pullback down here. Stop loss on this is going to be around 309.50 area. And target on this is going to be about over 311. About 311.50 if we can. We'll play it by ear. We got cushion this morning. Let's take a look at this thing up close. TSLA, we're putting in a green candle here, which is good. Like to take this over 311. TSLA, it's taking quite a bit of time here. Market's starting to drop here. I'm actually thinking about coming out of this thing. Yeah, we're going to come out of this thing right here if we can. Alright, we're out. We're out with the quick 40 cents. I was going to sit on it for a little bit longer, but if we look at the SPY here, the SPY is dropping. And we got 40 cents, so the market was telling me get out, so got out. Anyways, traders, that's going to be it for us today. Don't really see anything else here that looks good. The market was flat most of the morning. It dropped pretty hard at the open and then just stayed flat most of the morning till now. Now it's dropping again. So we're up 391. Let's take a look at the trades. 5 trades, 5 winning trades. Our biggest winner on EXAS. Thanks for watching.